Hello guys and welcome to today's video. This video is going to be a thought process. Again, I just wanted to say something, which is I really appreciate you guys so fucking much. Thank you guys so fucking much. I'm really happy, bro, for you. I'm really fucking happy. We really did that, bro. We reached 190 legends in this channel, bro. You're literally, guys, you're the fucking best, bro. You're the fucking best. Anyone who clicked on that subscribe button is a G, bro. Is a real G. Now the next target will be 200. 200. And once I'm once I hit 200 subscribers before the end of May, I'm going to do a strategy reveal video, and I'm going to show you literally every single thing about my strategy, the win rate, the maximum losing streak, the maximum winning streak, every single thing about my strategy, how I anticipate, literally step by step. So if you want that video, just click that subscribe button. Let's reach 200 subscribers, 200 legends, 200 G's in this channel, and I will do that video without fucking doubt in my mind. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up the like button and that subscribe button, and let's get started into today's trading bias identification. So hold on, let me full screen the screen, and let's start with GJ. So on GJ, on the 4-hour time frame, or let's start with the daily time frame as always. So in the daily time frame, yesterday we just broke the structure. We have this structure, we just broke below it, and the daily candle closed below it, and now we are retracing back into this daily bearish fair value gap. Alright, so price now just fill it up, and maybe now we are going to see some, and it's actually a BPR, not just a fair value gap, it's a BPR, which is those candles, this inverse fair value gap combined with this fair value gap. So what I want the price to do is to retrace back, and actually we just took out this buy side liquidity. Hold on, this buy side liquidity, and we just took out this Asian session highs. So not just those highs, but also those equal highs that I told you about yesterday. Literally, I told you those equal highs are not going to be ignored, they will be getting taken out. So London session just opened now 30 minutes later. Asian session highs got taken out, those buy side liquidity got taken out, those equal highs got taken out, and also one daily fair value gap got filled. So what is my thought process on the trade today? So after I want to see a hourly or a 4-hour sweep of liquidity. That means the price I should reverse immediately now from that zone and break the structure. So we have this structure being created on the 15-minute, and I want price to literally do like this. Hold on, I want price to reverse. If it creates some sort of structure right here, that would be good. I'll probably anticipate another breakout structure from that, and then retracing back into some sort of continuation confluences, like breaker block, order block, fair value gap, equilibrium, blah 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 blah, all of that shit. It's retracement, and then on the lower time frame, I'll head on to the lower time frame to see if there is any lower time frame breakout structure, and with that, my target will be those Asian session highs, not more. So the 4-hour is bearish. We are still in a bearish structure because we still did not broke the structure to the upside right here. But on the 1-hour, we are still also bearish. If this candle reverse now and don't close above these highs, if this candle closes above these highs, that means it's a breakout structure, and price is going to more likely continue to go in higher and eventually to take out all of those low resistance draws on liquidity. So that is my thought process on GJ's trade. Let's move on now to USD/JPY. So on USD/JPY, quite the similar thing. We are still in a bearish order flow on the daily. So let me fucking delete the shit. So Yesterday we invalidated this bullish fair value gap that I told you about. We just invalidated this fair value gap. Now we are just rebalancing into this inverse fair value gap. This daily inverse fair value gap. And quite similar, not equilibrium, we're still very ahead of equilibrium. So with that, let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is also bearish. We have this 4 hour bearish fair value gap, and we have a CISD right here on the 4 hour. Price may be going to go higher to that level, but not very convinced. So this is CISD, and we just inverse this 4 hour big ass 4 hour imbalance inverse fair value gap, and we just rebalancing into this bearish fair value gap. So with that, let's scale down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is also in a bearish structure. We just took out all of those buy side liquidity, and we're filling up another 1 hour fair value gap. So, and we just took out this Asian session highs. So actually on USD GPY it looks cleaner, way too cleaner, because GJ just head on to the upside with no hesitation. So let's get to the 15-minute to see any continuation confluences. So what my main idea is waiting for, so we have this bullish 15-minute gap. I wanted price to invalidate this gap, even break instruction to the downside right here, then retracement back into some sort of 5-minute or 15-minute continuation confluences. Fair value gap, once again, fair value gap, order block, breaker, equilibrium, literally anything. And then I will look for 1-minute break of structure, or 1-minute break below the 79% extension, or a 1-minute inverse fair value gap of the opposite order flow. So that will be my entry signal, and then I don't know, my target will be these Asian session lows. All right, because, and also those candles yesterday at 11 p.m. I don't know what that came from, but it looks like it is a news candle. I don't know, I think Trump just spoke something yesterday at night. So this low of this candle will be also a high drawn liquidity, which is the data low, which not actually a data low, but it is a strong drawn liquidity, to be honest, because we were in a bearish order flow, and now we're just heading on to blow up to the upside, like something like this. That will not be ideal. So this is currently my trade idea for the day. Now I'm going to school. I'll catch you guys up after the trade recap or the market recap, whether I took a trade or not. Also, today there's a very big announcement and very big event that is going to happen today, which is today the 7th of May, which we have the federal funds rate and the FOMC statement and the FOMC press conference. So we'll be very careful on trading today. I will not be trading anything. I'll just wait for high probability setups. If there is no, I will not trade. And we really have to be careful for this one, especially with the federal funds rate. I really hope that the Federal Reserve cuts the rate, so can our crypto bags can pump. So without further ado, without that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Stay tuned and peace out.